Hi everyone, it's Russell Mortlock with the Mortlock Wilk Real Estate Group. And we're at our new listing here at 5004 Painted Turtle Lane in Vernon, BC. We got this beautiful walkout bungalow with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Come check it out. No details been missed in this home. Let's start with the kitchen. You got beautiful, high-end custom cabinets to go on with granite countertops and beautiful appliances. One of the best features of this main level is being able to eat dinner with your family each and every night looking at this lake view. We have a good-sized master on the main level that has a walk-in bathroom and closet, dual vanities in the bathroom to go along with another beautiful lake view right from your master. Here in the basement, we have a nice open floor plan with high ceilings, which makes it a great area for entertaining family and friends. Another great feature of this home is the low maintenance yard with this brand new turf that was just installed.